In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to auto-publish social media posts on all platforms using N8N. We're going to build a simple workflow that starts on a schedule and generates your post content automatically, so it's ready to push to any social platform you connect later. Start by opening your N8N instance and heading to the Workflows page. Create a new workflow so we have a clean canvas to work from. Give it a clear name if you like, something you'll recognize later in your list, and then open the editor. On the canvas, click the plus icon to add your first node. In the search, type schedule trigger, then select it. This node is the heartbeat of your automation. It's what tells N8N when to run. With the schedule trigger open in the right-hand panel, choose the trigger interval that matches your posting cadence. If you're planning routine content, picking a repeat interval is a great start. Next, specify the number of days between triggers. For example, every 1 day for daily posts or every 7 days for weekly posts. Below that, set the exact hour and minute you want your workflow to fire. Make sure the time zone settings in your N8N instance match your intended audience so posts align with the right local time. You'll also see an option to add a rule. Use this if you want more control, such as running only on weekdays or skipping specific dates. This can be incredibly helpful for avoiding weekends or holidays without manually disabling anything. Once your schedule looks right, click Execute step. This runs the node immediately so you can confirm the trigger fires correctly and passes data forward. After the test completes, close the panel so we're back on the canvas. Now we'll add the content generation step. Click the plus icon again and search for OpenAI. Select it, then choose the Create a Conversation action. In the Credentials dropdown, pick your pre-configured connection. If you haven't set up credentials yet, do that in N8N's Credentials Manager first and keep your keys protected. Avoid putting keys directly into your workflow fields. Store them securely using the built-in credentials feature. With credentials selected, choose the appropriate resource and operation for creating chat messages. In the Messages section, you'll define how the assistant should respond. Choose a role for your first message. System or user are common. System messages are great for setting guardrails like you are a social media assistant that writes concise on-brand posts. User messages can provide the prompt itself, such as a topic or angle you want covered. In the prompt field, describe what you want generated. Be specific about tone, length, hashtags, or calls to action. For example, you might ask for a short post suitable for multiple platforms, plus a couple of relevant hashtags. Under options, you can refine the output. Temperature controls creativity, lower values are more predictable, higher values are more varied. You can also set max tokens to limit length and keep your posts concise. These controls help you balance brand consistency with creativity. When you're happy with the setup, click Execute step. This will send the prompt and show you the result right away so you can verify the content style, length, and formatting. If needed, tweak your prompt or options and run it again until the output looks right. Clear prompts here will save time later and make your post feel consistent across platforms. At this point, your workflow consists of a schedule that triggers at the times you chose and a content generation step that creates the copy for your posts. This is the core of an auto-publishing pipeline. From here, you can extend the workflow by adding your preferred social nodes, one for each platform, to publish what's generated. Keep each platform's constraints in mind, like character limits and image requirements, and map the OpenAI output into the fields each node expects. Before you wrap up, give your workflow a descriptive name, save it, and enable it so it runs automatically on schedule. That's all you need to reliably produce fresh content on a timetable, ready to be sent out across your social channels with the additional nodes you add next.